Making a diagnosis, God, I hope, will far way away because we don't want AI. We don't want a computer or data making a decision.
Managing a medical live platform, you're building new verticals, you're raising money.
24/7, just like the platform. I've always run my business on 3 pillars. I mean, it's very simple. It's communication, it's transparency, it's teamwork.
What do you think was over the course of your career, what's the best piece of advice that you've gotten?
Never give up. That's my motto, always has been. Hopefully, folks have seen that over the number of years I've worked in different roles. And, within this role now as the CEO of my pediatric doctor, that's revolutionary from a technology standpoint, but also revolutionary from a healthcare standpoint.
They're trying to get their kid in bed and the kid's not feeling well. They're looking for an app. What's that experience actually looks like?
That physician chooses that recommendation, be it a prescription or not, and then moves that patient forward.
I can tell you, being a parent, that this sounds amazing that I can just do this from the comfort of my home.